Alright, in this video we're going to do questions where you have to simplify brackets that first you need to multiply out first. You need to expand them first. So we're doing exercise 4. Okay, and we're simplifying, so it's question 1. 1 plus root of 2, 2 minus root of 2. First of all, try to do it yourself, pause the video, and only then check how I solve it. Okay, that's how you solve this question. So when we have two brackets, we take the first number and multiply by everything what we have in the second bracket. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 positive 1 times negative 2, the result is negative. And now let's multiply numbers. 1 times root of 2. We are not writing 1 times root of 2. We are not writing 1 root of 2. We write just root of 2, the same as in algebra, okay? We are not doing this, okay? So please don't write 1 root of 2, just root of 2. Now we take the second number and we multiply by everything what is inside of the second bracket. Square root of 2 times 2 is 2 roots of 2. Now positive times negative, the result is negative. And root of 2 times root of 2, let's see what that is. Root of 2 times root of 2 is a root of 4, right? Okay, you can leave root of 4 at this stage, unless you already know that root of 4 is 2. That's also fine to write immediately root of 2, but you might want just to do perhaps step at a time, okay? So now let's work with this expression. First of all, as you see, we need, our second step was simplify every third. This third shouldn't be simplified, this third shouldn't be simplified, this third can be simplified further, so I will write down that third simplified. So square root of 4 is 2. Okay, now we can simplify the entire expression. Okay, let's find all the numbers first. This is just a number without any third attached, and this is just a number. Okay, so and then this is the same third with the same base, and this third with the same base, square root of 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, so nothing. Okay, and then we have minus root of 2 plus 2 roots of 2. What is minus something plus 2 something? If it would be algebra, I hope you wouldn't have any problems. Minus a number plus 2 such numbers, the answer would be just one number. It's like minus 1 plus 2, or you can think about that taking a out of brackets and you'll get minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, isn't it? So a times 1 is a. Or you can think about this, minus a number and then plus 2 numbers, so you're moving one set of numbers on the left and then making 2 the same steps to the right, so you are getting just this number. Okay, so root of 2 is a particular number. If you had minus plus 2 of these numbers, so you get just 1 root of 2. Again, please don't write 1 root of 2. Don't write like this, okay? Cross it. And remember that you shouldn't write 1 at the front of 2. You just write in square root of 2. Okay. That's question 1. Let's do question, actually I want to call this question A, and now let's do question B. It is 2 plus root of 3 times 1 plus root of 2. Okay. Let's again, please pause the video and try first this question yourself. Okay, that's how you do it. I multiply everything what is inside of the second bracket by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times root of 2, 2 roots of 2. I'm multiplying everything what is inside of the second bracket by square root of 3. Square root of 3 times 1 is square root of 3, writing just root of 3, times root of 3 times root of 2 is root of 6. You might want to write here underneath if it helps you. Okay? Okay, now we need to see whether any of these roots can be simplified. Check every root at all. This is the simplest root possible. There is nothing you can take out of root to make it to have the surd simplified. Square root of 3, no, and square root of 6, nothing. All right, so therefore there is nothing really to simplify here. Now let's check the whole expression, whether there is anything we can add. We are not adding surds with different numbers, so therefore I can't see anything here, and you shouldn't too, to add anything. So that's actually final expression. That is end of this question. Now let's do question C. 3 minus root of 7 times 3 minus root of 7. Pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, that's now how you do it. Okay, we multiply the first number but everything what is inside of the second bracket, taking into account signs. Please note there is minus here, positive here, and we'll do the same here. Negative root of 7 multiplied by everything what is inside of the second bracket, and mind the signs, negative here, positive, negative. All right, okay, now let's start. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative 7, positive times negative is negative, and 3 times square root of 7, 3 roots of 7. Minus, why? Because minus times plus is minus, and square root of 7 times 3 is minus 3 roots of 7. We're writing 3 at the front, and now negative times negative is positive, right? So the answer here will be positive, and square root of 7 times square root of 7 is square root of 49. Okay, let's simplify all surds here. 9 is just a number, minus 3 roots of 7, minus 3 roots of 7, and square root of 49 is 7, isn't it? Again, at this stage, you could immediately to recognize that square root of 7 times square root of 7 is square root of 7 squared. So you literally square rooted 7 and then square that number. So you reverse this operation here. So you've got 7 immediately. Okay. Right. So now let's tidy up. There's 9 and 7 here. 9 and 7. So altogether it is 16. And now we have the same surd here and here. We have minus 3 surds of 7 and minus 3 surds of 7. Minus 3 is minus 6 of roots of 7. You subtracted 3 roots of 7 and you subtracted again 3 roots of 7. So you subtracted altogether 6 roots of 7. Now there's nothing you can simplify here. We can't subtract whole number and a surd. So that's our final answer here. This is the end of this video, and we'll carry on in the next video to do this homework with you.